In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Cronus Zen on your PC, guys. As you can see in the corner right over here, this is my gaming PC. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Now, guys, if you want one-on-one support setting this up in a call with me and my team, either group call, one-on-one call, check out the link down below in the description. That's going to be my VIP. But guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you're going to need is do the checklist. I'm using my PS5 controller. Okay, so obviously you're going to want the wire that plugs into your PS5 controller, the USB. C to USB, so this is going to plug into your Cronus Zen, so I'll plug it in right now. Okay, I always plug in my controller in the bottom left slot. Okay, we're not playing on PC. Next thing, guys, you're going to want two wires connected to your PC. Okay, so these are the same Collective Minds wires. These are both connected to my PC. Okay, so these are USB to USB Type-C wires. I'm going to plug one in on the top. Okay, with the Zen Shop version 11, which is the best script out right now. And then we have one plugging in on the right. Okay, so your Cronus Zen should look exactly like this right now. And I'm telling you guys, it's really good if you guys just do it step by step with me. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna want to do is the Zen Studio setup. Okay, so let me just put this wire on the ground here so it's not annoying, and let's open up Zen Studios. So we have Zen Studios open, guys. Now what you're going to want to do obviously is have your firmware updated and everything set up. Of course, that's going to be a video down below in the description, just how to set up your firmware and download Zen Studios. That's super simple. That's like 1 minute, guys, just downloading a software. So from here, guys, you're going to click device. Now the way that I set up my output protocol is Xbox 360 and then Xbox plus back. Okay, so it's super important you click this over here and select Xbox 360, or else it's not going to be detected. Okay, it's very, very important. Now you're also going to know your control and everything is on when you see the joypad and the Xbox logo pop up. Now look, I'm going to unplug my controller, unplug, and that thing goes away. Okay, so you see it? So when I plug it back in, it's good.